Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at an independent deck. This is the Cat Folk Tarot, 78 cards and a 161 page guidebook. This is by Libra Moon Inc. And as always, in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. Thank you so much to Libra Moon for sending this my way. I am really excited about it because I love cats. So this retails for $48 US, and there is also a pocket size deck that retails for $33, which we'll unwrap after we go through this one. So it says the Cat Folk Tarot is the first in a series of decks dedicated to cats and our love of folk art. I've always had a strong connection to cats. We recently adopted an unwanted 2-year-old. This deck is dedicated to our Miss Kitty. Oh, and look at there she is, a little tortie, just like my little tortie, who is a terror. Don't mind her play bites. So here's the little magnet clasp. And we have cute. All right, here's the guidebook. Oh, we do have a ribbon. It was just hiding. Oh, sweet. A little edition, limited edition card. Love that. And here are the cards. This is very beautifully packaged. This is like the velour. Nice. Okay, let's take a peek at the guidebook. I'm going to bring it in a little closer. We have table of contents, so then it goes into the suits, major arcana, and about the deck. I want to go there. It's all color printed too. Okay, so special thanks to Paul Warmby of UK for his ingenious input. Cute. Okay, so we'll go a little bit deeper with this guidebook after the flip through, and I'm going to unwrap the cards. I'll be right back. All right, it is a gloss, but not like a high gloss. I just call it a regular gloss linen cardstock with that gold foiling embossed on the back. And we have gilded edges there. Cardstock is nice. It's not too thin, but it's not too thick, so the shuffling should be really nice. Very flexible, but it snaps back. Nice. Okay, very cute backs. Let's get into it. We're starting with the minors, it looks like. And that's how it was set up in the book. Cute little paw prints. Oh my gosh. How fun. Cute little castle in the back. Those paws are just so cute, the little paw prints. Oh, we got a dog. Dog has entered the chat. So it's nice to see that we have, you know, the symbolism that we're used to seeing from like the Rider-Waite-Smith decks. This is really sweet. It feels very gentle. Oh, very fun. Cute. Oh. All right, pentacles. Oh my gosh, the paw. Oh. It's fun. I have a smile across my face flipping through. I think it's adorable. It might not be everybody's cup of tea. It's not everybody's kind of art style, but I feel like it's very playful. It's very fun. It feels like a very good everyday deck, a deck that's not super serious, you know? Gentle, will still give you the intuitive hits that you would need to utilize in order to read the deck. Oh, so sweet. I think my husband would love this deck, actually. It has him written all over it. Oh my gosh, the little babies. Let me know if you see any kind of cats that look similar to cats you own or have owned in the past. Because I'm seeing a few that remind me of cats I know, and I love that. Swords. Oh, he's loafing. The quality of the cards feel really good. I love the addition of the foiling. I feel like there was a lot of love put into this deck. Can't wait to read the guidebook. Poor baby. Yeah, even like the quote unquote scary cards here, or the more like threatening type cards, they still evoke that sense that you're supposed to get from it, but it's not so jarring. And I like that, because sometimes that can turn a lot of people off of using tarot in general. Some people really love the imagery. Some people are, if they're beginning, it kind of throws them for a loop. So this could be a really good beginner deck for those of you who are wanting to expand your collection, or if you want to get a nice special deck. And the last suit of the miners. Oh, sweet. This little guy right there. Just vibing. Oh, another little loaf. I think they got their wish. Oh, sweet, with the tails. Ah, precious. All right, let's do the majors. And they are bordered in black now, so that's a really cool thing. I like the different distinction. Oh, I like that they're black and white too for the lovers. Sweet. And we have the black and white cats for the chariot too. Nice. Oh, Oh, that's fun. Gentle without being, you know, too much. Oh. Wasn't expecting that. Well, all right, let's see how it shuffles. Oh, nice, yeah. Very flexible, slips really nice. I love a linen. The size is great too. And it shuffles great this way too. All right, let's get a card to read, please. Oh. 5 of Wands, of course, with the dog. All right, I'm going to bring you up just a wee bit. We have keywords and the illustration on the left. A time of crisis, facing challenges or obstacles. Too many demands, overworked, disagreements, necessary tension, fights, conflicts, resisting change, but also lots of change ahead. Okay, and then we have the paragraph over here. The 5 of Wands is a powerful card that signifies a brewing storm, a necessary upheaval that paves the way for transformation and prevents stagnation. Sometimes the source of the struggle or challenge may be identifiable, while other times it remains nameless, yet the tension continues to mount. As you sense the imminent change on the horizon, it's natural to feel apprehensive about embracing it. However, growth and evolution demand change. Therefore, instead of resisting, allow this process to unfold and create space for something new to emerge. This juncture may appear daunting as you find yourself juggling multiple responsibilities simultaneously. Disagreements, fights, and conflicts may arise during this period. You find yourself fighting like cats and dogs. You might have an unsettling feeling that something isn't quite right, but struggle with finding a solution. Often, it is our own resistance that fuels the tension we experience. The 5 of Wands could also indicate that you are holding on to a job or situation solely for financial reasons due to a false sense of security. Interesting. Well, it goes into depth quite a lot, which I really enjoy, and it's the same for all. Do you want to look at the majors? Yeah. It's very sweet. It's very cute. I think it's very well done. Like I said, it might not be for everyone because not everybody is a cat person or not everybody likes this kind of art style, but I think it's funky. I think it's cute and sweet. It does pack a punch with the adorableness, but it also does give you those intuitive hits as well. So if you're someone who finds this endearing and, you know, likes the quality and the linen kind of cardstock and likes the way the book's set up, check it out. I mean, it's actually super cute. I do want to take a peek real fast at the littler pocket size. They do come in their own little pouch as well as different foil on the sides. This one is purple. And they also come in pink, gold, red, and green edging. So again, check it all out on the website. But these are also linen. Oh, cute. And these don't have the border. So I believe this is called the bridge size on their website. Cute. I kind of like them without the borders. I like seeing more of the imagery. Oh, that's really fun. So here's the size comparison. Cute. I think it's adorable. I really like the quality. I think that is great. It is independently published, so do keep that in mind when it comes to price. I think that's also something that, you know, it's a decent price for it being independently published. Thank you so much to Libra Moon Inc. for sending this our way. I'm really excited to get to know it a little bit better and get to know it a little bit more intimately. I think it's adorable. Thank you guys for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. Let me know what your thoughts are down below. Let me know if you recognized any of the cats in this as one of your familiars or your pets. And yeah, let me know what you think. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.